Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick tip on resizing objects using your keyboard arrows. Maximum designers will be know that very well, but I'll do this video for some beginners. So let's see. Let's create a rectangle here on the canvas, and while it's selected, if we use the arrow keys, it can be merged around the canvas 1 pixel at a time. Or when holding shift while using the arrow keys, it will move according to your big nudge setting. Using similar keyboard shortcuts to resize the rectangle, we can hold down command and a small or control on a window and use the arrow keys to change the width and the height 1 pixel at a time. Just like padding, add a shift into mix and you can adjust the width and height based on your big nudge amount setting. This will also work the multiple objects selected. So let's add a circle and select both objects, and we can resize the both at the same time. I hope that this quick tip will help you out as you are working in Figma. If you need more related videos, like this video and subscribe my channel. See you later.